Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's story in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now click on the story of the person that you want to mute. Click on the 3 horizontal dots available in the top section of the story. And here you can see the mute story option. Click on it. You can select the time up to which you would like to mute this person's story. After that, click on the mute option. So that is how you can mute someone's story in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.